Hello, today in class we are going to talk again about how to find the percent of a number. We have talked about different ways to find the percentage of a number, and I will combine all this information into one general rule. So in order to find, let's say, 25% of a number 76, what do we need to pay attention to? When you see an assignment like this, you can memorize the following: the number 25%, you convert it into decimals, and then you multiply it by our number, and you get your answer. Let's go to our example. 25% is converted to a decimal. We convert 1 to a decimal. Remember, to convert 25% to a decimal, you divide 25% by 100%, and you end up with 0.25 hundredths. And then if we multiply 0.25 hundredths by our number, the result would be the second action, 0.25 hundredths times 76. This can be counted using column multiplication. Let's do the math. 0.25 hundredths I multiply by 76. 6 times 5, that's 30. I write 0, I memorize 3. 6 times 2, that would be 12. To 3 I memorize, that would be 15. Write 5, memorize 1. 6 times 0 is 0 and 1. I'm writing it down. Now multiply by 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 I write down, 3 again I memorize. 7 times 2, that would be 14. To 3, that would be 17. Now add it up. 0 plus 0 would be 0. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0 writing, 1 memorizing, 1 plus 7 is 8, yes, 1 in my mind, that would be 9 and 1. Next, I need to emphasize the whole part. What do I need to do? I go back to our example and count the number of digits after the decimal point, and I see that our numbers only have 2 digits after the decimal point. So I highlight those decimal points and count 1, 2. The result is 19 whole. So when I multiply 0.25 hundredths by 76, I have 19. This is another way for finding percentages of a number. Of course, there are 3 types of basic problems when working with percentages. In the next lesson, we will look at 2 types of these problems. And that's all for today. Goodbye. See you again.